Everybody, good morning. Happy Friday Eve. Wanted to just touch base with you guys on what you will be doing at home today. So, just to start with, just to follow up on our lesson from Tuesday, what is one of your SMART goals that you are excited about getting started and working towards? I don't care which one it is, but I want you to think back to the goals that you wrote on Tuesday, and I want you to pick one and tell me which one it is that you're excited about working towards and why. Our objective today, at home, you are going to do a pretest. So we are going to identify what we know and what we don't know about college and careers by taking our pretest today. Why are we doing this? A lot of courses will have you do a pretest at the beginning of the semester, and that is just to get a baseline to see what you know about the content of the course. And then they will follow up at the end or near the end of the course and see if you learned what you needed to learn by the end of that course. We're going to do the same thing in here. So it's going to give you and me a baseline of what you know. And it's going to help to kind of prepare you for what's to come in this course. Okay, we've done a couple weeks of work. This is going to let us know kind of what you know already and what we need to learn in this course. It's also going to help me in the direction of planning content for our next few units, because if we already are fully aware of something, there's no need for me to cover it in great detail. I could just briefly skim over it, okay? Versus if everybody answers something wrong on this, then I know that that's something that I need to focus my attention on in class, okay? So take it serious, but don't stress out about it, okay? So the pretest. It is 85 questions, which seems like a lot, but again, I don't expect you to know all of these answers already. That's the point. It's a pretest. It would be like me throwing out a bunch of vocabulary words at you and saying, hey, what do these mean? And they're words you've never heard of. You could make something up. It's to see what you know already before we get started, okay? I'm going to give you 15 points just for taking it today, okay? Once you get it done, just do your best. Once you get it done, it'll submit, and that's all I need you to do today, okay? Let me know if you have any questions in your test. I will be teaching class. You do need to get it done by the end of class. If you have any trouble getting it done by 9:25, I need you to let me know, because I will have to extend the time it is available, okay? So I know we've been meeting later. Tomorrow we start on time, and I need you to be ready to go on time, okay? So let me know if you need it extended because maybe you had computer troubles or whatnot. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. My A through K group, I get to see you guys on Monday. So have a wonderful weekend. I miss you all very much, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.